step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get
trying to get comfortable.
the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've given from you.
You know, Tom's house was broken into and he confronted the burglar and then had to go have eye surgery. And then my son had to go over and help. And then my son, he rolled his car 5 times on the way home. Yeah, I'm under a lot.
Nyla, tell the people hello.
Look at me. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Do not bring that European nonsense into this ethnic household. Do you understand me?
I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance. This is urgent. Trying to make some simple change. Got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go when he was holding me. Choose the rise, but it will be up in front of me. On the wall, I leave my armor feelings. Still wanna try.
Trying to do my homework and somebody keeps reaching their hand under the blanket trying to touch my thigh. I'm just trying to make a better living for us, and you won't keep your hands to yourself so I can finish this paper. You want to be on the streets? Because we're going to be homeless playing with you.
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much.
I got my cat spayed thinking that it would like lower her clinginess, and this girl she got her surgery yesterday. She's supposed to be laid out for like a week. She can't.
Me and my girl going for a ride today. Right, Shashi? Come on, y'all know Shosh is honestly the most fire cat in the world. Like, look at this cat. Fancy as fuck. Period. Say period. 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 You ready? We going on an adventure? Are you happy? You're such a happy kitty. You happy kitty? And mommy's wigs. Mommy took her wigs out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What you mean to me? What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world.
Why are you on my head? Get off. Get off.
So, my husband pulled this little guy out of the car engine at work, and it's safe to say that this one is not amused.
Cat moms, tap in. Why are babies always got attitudes? They are the most attitude having species and just be laid up like they pay bills or something with the attitude. You ain't even gotta do. Oh, you tired of my shit?
But I ain't see myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love.
TikTok, this is Simba. Say what's up.
Hey, can y'all stitch or duet this video showing me y'all's pets? I want to see y'all's pets.
Oh Lord! If you don't have a pet that you can take selfies with, retro sheet, pose. All right, I did not say freeze. I said pose. Thank you. Thank you, Patience.
This bitch is... Oh. I was about to talk shit about her, but I can't even. I changed my fucking mind because she is just so cute. She's my baby.
If y'all have a cat, hear me and hear me good. Get you one of these enclosures on Amazon for less than $100, and then get you a cat tree for under like $30 or $40. We got this like a couple of days ago. He's been going nuts since we got it. And then get you one of these motion detector lights, also from Amazon. Stick it up under there. It got a latch to lock it so he can't get in it. And if you're really worried about litter, just get one of them litter mat things and put it in front. Make your cat tree and litter box look like furniture as best as you possibly can.
So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See what?
Help me. Help me. Help me.
Help her, Patience. Help her.
She's like, what the fuck? Help me.
This is my mom fussing at my cat for being difficult.